Turn up to this one. It's a combi boiler change today. Gonna fit a Flomasta filter on there. Tidy these up a bit. Stay at that. Baxi 424 going in, LPG, as it's in a park home. The walls aren't very thick, so fixings could be an issue, but these Baxis come with a nice template. What I'm really looking forward to is this Part L compliance kit from Flomasta. With it you get some Flomasta central heating cleaner, you get some inhibitor. That's the key for the magnetic filter to go on the heating system. There's the valves. These all feel good quality kit. There's the Flomasta magnetic filter. It's a decent size. And you get the inline lime scale reducer as well. That's awesome. Almost as awesome as that little flip. So boiler's on the wall, just got to make good the pipe work. So I've already connected the flow and the hot, cap the gas off. Now I'm going to fit this lime scale reducer. This goes on the cold main under the boiler. Put some jointing compound on. And then just pop it on and tighten it up. And then you're going to want to give it a pinch with a spanner and then get it all connected, just like that. That looks smart. So the filter comes in separate pieces, but you just got to pop the valves on, not forgetting the little rubber washers. Everything you need all comes in the pack, which is great. Just pop that on there and then give it a little tighten with a spanner, but not too tight. So these valves are designed so you can have them in all kinds of orientations. I opted for this one. I've made sure the Flomasta labels are in line. Love a bit of attention to detail. I mean, look how smart that looks. Nice and compact as well. If you check out the link below, you'll see all of Flomasta's range on Screwfix website to get everything you need in a handy little kit like that. I mean, look at that, it just looks smart, doesn't it? Now the system's been flushed and filled, we're just going to do some commissioning, fill out the benchmark, then hand it over to the customer. Another quick look at the pipe work. I mean, look at that. Looks smart, put the key up there as well. Showed the customer how to use it, set all the controls up, and that's another one done. Happy days.